As Thomas Edison once said, there is no substitute for hard work. And today, we gather to celebrate the shining achievers of the senior school that embody this truth. They are proof that success does not come by chance, but through persistence, consistency, and the willingness to give one's best each day. It is this steady commitment to effort that transforms goals into accomplishments. It is my pleasure to call upon the Class 9 achievers to grace the stage. May I request the gracious presence of Mrs. Deepa Wahi ma'am and Dr. Rashmi Singh ma'am to do the honors. We begin with Punya Goyal, Shaurya Tiwari, Neel Dwivedi, Divyani Maheshwari, and Shubh Narayan Srivastav. Punya, whose consistent efforts, sharp intellect, and enthusiasm for knowledge make him a role model. Shaurya Tiwari combines sharp intellect with diligence and a keen sense of responsibility. Neel Dwivedi's exemplary conduct complements his sincerity and dedication. Divyani Maheshwari, from champion swimming to yoga with poise and academics with brilliance. She is a blend of skill, grace, and intellect. Shubh Narayan Srivastav blends harmony of music with elegance of expression. His wit, coupled with his intellect, adds charm to his presence. Let us now celebrate Mishika Chaudhary, Aradhya Jain, Atharv Rastogi, Riyan Srivastav, and Dhruvika Singh. Mishika Chaudhary maintains a quiet demeanor. Her meticulous work speaks volumes about her dedication. Aradhya Jain is a confident speaker and shows commendable diligence in her work. Atharv Rastogi is clear in thought and strong in voice. He ensures precision in every task. Riyan Srivastav has a quick wit and sharp mind that light up class discussions. Dhruvika Singh's relentless efforts and unwavering positive attitude are a source of inspiration. Moving forward, we have Amaulik Batra, Kavya Singh, Sanvi Agarwal, Vidushi Srivastav, and Kartik Agarwal. Amaulik Batra, beyond academic success, his disciplined approach and helpful nature truly set him apart. Kavya Singh is a remarkable athlete whose humility and discipline set a fine example. Sanvi Agarwal excels in chess. Her humble demeanor and respectful attitude make her shine. Vidushi Srivastav is exceptionally bright and consistently demonstrates an exemplary behavior. Kartik Agarwal consistently shows commitment to excellence. His arguments in debate are well structured and convincing. Heartiest congrats to all our winners.
As we conclude the celebration of Class 9 achievers, let us move forward to applaud the remarkable accomplishments of Class 11. It gives me immense pleasure to invite Dr. Anupam Vidyarthi sir and Mr. Vinay Pandey sir to do the honors. Adya Garg, Paridhi Singh, Mihika Agarwal, Tarang Chandnani, Siddhi Tripathi. Adya Garg is calm and composed. Her approachable nature and humility complement her talents. Paridhi Singh balances academics with effective task management. She reflects humility and gratitude in all her actions. Mihika Agarwal's eloquence and confidence in public speaking make her stand out. Tarang Chandnani, with her passion for music and enduring nature, make her truly remarkable. Siddhi Tripathi handles responsibilities efficiently, upholding humility and gratitude as her guiding values.
Some of your teachers are here. Any message that you wish to give?
For whatever reason you might be worried in life, for whatever reason you are overthinking, I just want to let you know something that my grandfather always says. It's heavens are not going to fall. No matter what happens, at the end of the day, you're always going to get a new chance tomorrow and to be a better version of yourself.
Just to add to what Adya already said, I feel the school itself gives us a lot of opportunities, and time and again, it again and again gives us chances to prove ourselves. So, there's nothing different in the people sitting here and us standing here itself. It's just that every new chance that you get, make sure you're present and you give your 100%, and that is what counts at the end of the day. And that is something that I feel all of us, everyone standing here, and all of us believe in. So, all the best for whatever you do.
I believe you're not supposed to chase marks or ranks because they'll follow with the hard work. Just focus on your goal, keep going, and don't fret about whatever is going on around you, and don't miss those opportunities you get during 11th and 12th to do events. Just keep going. It'll all work out one day. Just keep your goal fixed, and I think that's all you need to do right now.
I already agree with whatever my colleagues have already said, but one thing that I would like to add is that we should believe in ourselves. I think that is the most important thing, and that will make you reach wherever you want to.
I would just like to add what my teachers have always told me, that just do your work, do the hard work, and leave everything else on God and everything. Just do what you can do. Try your level best, and then don't worry about it.
I just want to know from you, because your tenure has been the shortest in Jaipur. Yeah? She joined us in grade 11. So it's time for you to leave the school. How are you feeling?
Genuinely do not have words to express what I'm feeling right now. I feel I'm just avoiding the fact that I will be leaving school because I cannot accept that. And you know, the day I stepped into this institution, I was, I didn't really think that I'll get very attached because I had spent more than 10 years in a place already. So I was just of the mindset that I'll come, I'll study, and I'll go. And one of the first things that Promni ma'am asked me on the first day that I came was, Beta, will you be able to adjust? And I did what one does in an interview, and I said, yes, ma'am, definitely. But there was something in my mind. It can be intimidating at times when you come to a whole different, setting and with a whole different set of people. But when you have teachers like the one sitting and the one standing here, and you've students and you've classmates like the one standing here who always support you, who are always there, and I feel that is something that Jaipuria has given me, and I will forever be grateful. And I really do not have words of how thankful I am to be here and to have the opportunity to be here. So thank you to each and everyone for making that possible. Thank you, ma'am.
Now join us in celebrating Arushi Kapoor, Shivika Singh, Sanvi Agarwal, Onika Pandey, and Tulika Bisht. Arushi Kapoor is an eloquent debater, is confident, and aspires to become a successful lawyer. Shivika Singh takes responsibilities with dedication and works with determination to achieve them. Sanvi Agarwal is diligent, courteous, and maintains exemplary conduct. Onika Pandey manages tasks with precision, her words flow with confidence, and she stands tall as a winner on public platforms. Tulika Bisht is a perfect blend of intellect, artistry, and sincerity, making her an inspiration.
So, Onika, she's the head girl of the school, and we have Sarthak also as the head girl, the vice head girl, and the vice head boy. If 4 of you could come up, anything that you would like to say, since these are your last few months, more than you, we are sentimental about it. So I don't know how you're feeling at this moment, and what is the message you want to give?
So there are just 2 things that I want to tell you all. That while I was walking on the stage, there is one thing that I noticed, and that is one thing I want to tell every student who's here. Always and always be grateful to your parents. Because while I was coming, every parent here was sitting with so much smile on their faces, with their cameras upright, and it just made me smile, even though my mother is not here. But just seeing every parent here, this made me so happy that I can't even express. Secondly, oftentimes in our life, this is something I've done as well, we try to avoid participating in events so that we can focus more on our marks and academics. This is one more advice: never do that. Always participate in events, because I feel that is where the most transformation, the most development of a student actually happens. That is where the most holistic development happens. And when you learn to manage both academics and events, that is when you become closer to perfection. So that is the 2 things that I had to say.
When I was given this head boy badge, I had not envisioned my year to be so eventful and to go like this. But firstly, I would like to express my immense gratitude to Principal Ma'am, Anjali Ma'am, Vinod Ma'am, who is there to encourage us in events like these, to the parents, everyone that is here, to my friends over here and standing over there, who always been there for me. The fact is, when you get awarded for these things, it feels very happy. But when does it feel happier? When you are in the process. Because the Interschool Jaipuria Fest just ended a week ago, and I was there all 4 days, and I cannot tell how much I'm going to miss that thing. Ma'am just said, ma'am can't imagine us gone. Ma'am, it is my worst nightmare when I will step out of school and with a thing in mind that I'll not wear this iCard and come in, I'll have to wear a visitor's iCard and come in. So that will always haunt me. That is one thing. And secondly, the practices that the school makes us do, whether it is the silence time or it's such a plethora of events that it organizes for us, from sports to music to everything. You will not have anything left, even pottery, sculpting, anything. Participate in it because this will be given to you as a byproduct of all that once your personality is developed and honed. So for that, I am immensely grateful. I offer all of this to him. And I just request God to keep His mercy and His blessings on me so that I can achieve things in future. Thank you so much.
The one message I would have is never to compromise on your happiness in your quest for chasing after marks or any sort of success, because the true happiness in life comes from making memories which you can cherish with your friends, with your teachers, with all your peers. I am immensely grateful to all of my friends, Sanvi, Akhya, Anushka, Ishani, for making it a wonderful year and for ensuring that even now I cannot imagine a day when I do not come to the school and meet them every day in this uniform.
Okay, so just like my friends here mentioned, so similar for me, like for the years I've been here in the school, all I can recall are those memories, the friends I've made along the way, the teachers who have always been there to support me. And one thing I can only say is that the school will never give you like excess of opportunities. You'll always feel like there is always an opportunity heading your way. And the only thing that you can do in that case is to maximize on that end, right? So like last week only the ISJF ended. I was a participant in one of the events. I was even the director. There, all I could do there was realize the fact, as my teachers as well reminded, that change is the only constant. You will not always get it your way, but yes, the opportunities that you are getting are for the best of you. The school has always given me multiple opportunities that have led to my holistic development. And as I am going to, as I have come here on this stage as well, I only believe that since the school has supported me, the teachers who have been there along the way, and they have guided me at every step. They have shown me that how I can manage each and everything, like academics with co-curriculars, etc. Right? So I'm only grateful to the school for all the opportunities they have given to me.
So Sarthak, I was sent your speech at Independence Day, and I shared it with an uncle of mine, Raghu Hari Dalmia ji, and he was so impressed that he sent 3 books that he has written in Hindi. भारत का अनकहा इतिहास, मेवाड़ एवं मराठाओं की सहस्त्र वर्षों की शौर्य गाथा, आक्रांता, क्रूरता और षड्यंत्र. तो ये आपके लिए उन्होंने भेजी है. एंड लाइब्रेरी के लिए भी देयर आर 5 copies. So that, yeah.
So, okay. So the happiness is multiplied. And I would just like to say one thing for Anjali ma'am, especially for Anjali ma'am. I have been seeing her, and all of us have been seeing her so many times. Not once will you find her not smiling. And the smile that she has on her face, it is so filled with positivity. And I mean this by heart. You look at her and you just cannot be sad. And I'm so happy right now. Just one more thing. Exactly 3 years ago, we had our prize day when we were in grade 10. So 17 July 2023. And we were sitting right there only. This was the time almost. And I don't know where those 3 years went when we were climbing the stairs right now. So all these things now feel manifold to me because everything that is happening, like ma'am mentioned Independence Day, we spoke at Independence Day, and one thing that was continuously going on in my head is I will not be able to speak in another Independence Day as the student of the school because ma'am, I will come. I have to, because this is a place that I just cannot move on from. So yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Tulika Bish is a perfect blend of intellect, artistry and sincerity, making her an inspiration. Moving forward, we have Shardul Singh, Yuvraj Gupta, Dhrati Jain, Sarthak Mishra and Akshata Agarwal. Shardul Singh is versatile. His humility enhances his talents. Yuvraj Gupta demonstrates perseverance and sincerity in every task. His cheerful nature brings warmth and positivity. Dhrati Jain remains grounded. Her leadership qualities help her execute all the tasks efficiently. Sarthak Mishra is dynamic, multifaceted. His strategic thinking and leadership are inspirational, and his confidence motivates others. Akshita Agarwal is dedicated with a polite demeanor and willingness to help others.
Now to felicitate those who have been regular to school, I invite Mitali ma'am and Colonel Gautam sir to award the following students. Pragyan Kumar Singh, Ariba Saeed, Aditya Verma, Aradhya Yadav, Mehul Sharma, Ishal Khan, Janmajay Singh, Prabhat Kumar Chaurasya, Arisha Saeed, Arnav Kumar, Arisha and Ansh Pandey.
As we come to the close of this magnificent evening, our hearts are filled with pride and gratitude. On behalf of the entire school fraternity, we extend our heartfelt thanks to our distinguished guest, Professor Vinod Solanki ma'am, our Vice Chairperson, Anjali ma'am, our Principal Promini ma'am, and all the school heads for gracing this evening with their esteemed presence.